Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get started with cloudLibrary through its mobile app for both Apple and Android products. See our other cloudLibrary videos for tips on using cloudLibrary through a web browser or with a Kobo e-reader. With cloudLibrary, users can borrow both ebooks and audiobooks. Audiobooks are indicated by the headphones in the top right corner. Each user can borrow up to 10 items at one time, and titles are borrowed for 21 days. Most titles on cloudLibrary will not have holds lists. The exception is new and very popular titles. You can download the cloudLibrary app from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded on your device, you can open it up and begin to walk through the setup instructions. You will first have to select a language. Once you have chosen your language, you can tap the screen to continue. You will now be asked to choose the correct country, province, and library by tapping each and selecting your choice. Once you have selected the correct country, province, and library, you can hit the next button at the bottom of the page. You will then have to accept the terms and conditions by hitting accept at the bottom of the page. For the final step, you'll have to enter your library card and PIN number, usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. You can then hit the login button at the bottom of the page to complete the process. You are now logged into the cloudLibrary mobile app. A tutorial may come up. Feel free to go through the steps. If not, you can press skip at the bottom. Now we can go through some of the features of cloudLibrary. The menu at the bottom of the page has 4 options: Home, My Books, Search, and Account. You are currently on the home screen. We will start with My Books. So under the My Books menu, you can see your current loans, your history, your holds, and the items that you have saved. Under the My Books menu, you can choose to read or listen to your items and return your items early. Under the search menu, you can search for specific items, browse the featured and new titles, or see your favorites. To search for specific items using a keyword, title, or author, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Clicking on the search bar will bring up this screen where you can type in your keywords and click on any results. You also have the ability to complete an advanced search by hitting Advanced Search under the search bar. You can complete an advanced search by title, author, series, ISBN number, date published, category, or subject. For more information on the advanced search feature, see the tutorials available through the help function, which we will cover a little later. Always hit the arrow in the top left corner to return to the previous page. If we go back to the main search page, you can see all of the new titles. To see all of the titles, scroll to the left or pick See All. Under the search menu, you can also browse your favorites. The first time you log in, it may prompt you to choose favorites. If you ever need to adjust those settings, click on the pen-like button at the top of the page. Choose your preferences for your favorites, pick as many of the options as you would like, and hit Next. Then you can choose as many genres or topics as you would like and hit Save. Your favorites will now appear, and they will all have a yellow star beside them. To change your filters, choose the beaker-like function in the top right corner. From there, you can filter your search options by format, availability, and language. A small checkmark will appear to indicate what you have chosen, and once you're happy with your choices, you can hit Save. The last menu option is Account. From here, you can see your library cards, change any of your settings, reach the help and support function, and log out. Now that we have navigated the site, we can go through how to check out items. If you go back to the search menu, you can browse titles. Once you've chosen a title, you can click on the cover image. A new window will appear. From here, you can place a hold on the item or check out the item, or save the item for later. To exit this screen, hit the X in the top left corner. To read or listen to your titles, or return any titles, you can go to My Books. You are now ready to use cloudLibrary. For quick troubleshooting tips and to learn more about the cloudLibrary app, you can go to Account and choose Help and Support. You can then choose Tutorials and FAQs. This will take you to a new window for troubleshooting and additional tips. If you're having any troubles with your account, books not appearing, or any error messages, always try to log out of your account and log back in. It can also help to try to uninstall and reinstall the mobile app. If you have any questions about your account or cloudLibrary, send us an email at askus@haltonhills.ca. In your message, please include as much information as possible, including the exact error message, and if possible, please include any steps you have already taken. The more information we have, the easier it is for us to try and help you fix the problem. Thank you for listening. Discover cloudLibrary for yourself. Download the app or go online. cloudLibrary is free with your Halton Hills Public Library card. Happy reading!